Hello, my most amazing artists. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to do our next project. We're going to be making some snowflakes. Some watercolor snowflakes. Here's kind of the idea. And we're going to do this with some watercolor paper and a white oil pastel and some watercolor paint and some salt. So let me show you what your steps are going to be. First, my supplies. I'm going to need a pencil, a blank sheet of paper, some of these hexagon tracers that I made, and a white oil pastel. Now we're going to be painting on the next time, but right now this is what I'm going to finish for today. So first I'm going to start by putting my name on the bottom and my class code. Then I flip it over. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my hexagons and I'm going to lay it on my paper. And I don't need to put it in the center. I can kind of put it off to the side, but I'm going to put a little dot next to each corner of my hexagon. Like that. I know it's hard to see, but I'll make it darker. The next thing I need to do is I need to connect these dots across each other. Now, if I don't have a ruler, I can always use something flat, like the side of my folder or this index card. So I'll lay it down so that the two dots connect, and I'll draw my line. Now I'm going to draw my lines kind of dark so that you can see them, but for yours, draw them really light so that if you need to erase them, you can. There we go. So I've got my 6 legs of my snowflake, 6 arms, and since a snowflake is an example of radial symmetry, whatever I do to one side, I've got to do to all the rest. So if I make a V shape here, I need to make a V shape on the end of every single one. Like that. And if I make a point, a dot in the middle of each one of these, got to do it to all of them. And I'm going to continue going on, adding my different shapes until I've got a drawing that I like. Now I'm going to fast forward a little bit. Here's one that I've started ahead of time.